These freshwater eels in the Solomons began their lives hundreds of kilometers away, possibly in a deep sea trench off New Guinea. Yet as larvae, and then elvers, they made their way into these freshwater pools, and over 40 years grew into 2-meter giants. The eels are highly prized by the locals. These Solomon Islanders hand-feed them, not to fatten them up for dinner, but to encourage them to stick around. By scavenging on whatever's decaying here, the eels clean the islanders' precious pools of drinking water. And over time, the honorary guests have become tame. One day, these adult freshwater eels will return to the sea to spawn, after which they'll die. For now, they are as good as pets.